Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. You have to start by open the live application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see them at the device list. Tap on it, and right here we need to scroll down. At the last line we have a button user guide, so this is actually a user manual. You just tap on it, it will open in your browser and you can find some information for you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.